Hello children, how are you? Stay safe at home and keep learning. We teachers are here to help you. I am Divya VP, your maths teacher. Today we can start lesson 1 large numbers. In this lesson we are mainly dealing with 7 digit numbers and 8 digit numbers. Let us start with 7 digit numbers. Which is the smallest 7 digit number? The smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakh. Adding 1 to the greatest 6 digit number, you will get the smallest 7 digit number. That means 9,99,999 plus 1 gives 10 lakh. And which is the greatest 7 digit number? The greatest 7 digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. Next, we want to do the exercise question. Question 1. Write the number names and expanded form. The first number given is 23,89,009. We want to write that in words. And now we want to write the expanded form of that number. In that number, 2 comes under 10 lakhs position. So we want to write 20 lakh. And 3 under lakhs position. And 8 under 10,000s place. And 9 under thousands place. And under hundreds and tens position only zeros. And under ones place 9. So we want to write the number in expanded form as 20 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 9. Now check the second number. 56 lakh 32,123. That you can write in words. And to write the number in expanded form, 5 under 10 lakhs position, so 50 lakh. 6 under lakhs position, so 6 lakh. And 3 under 10,000's place, so 30,000. 2 under thousands place, so 2,000. 1 under hundreds place, 100. 2 under tens place, 20. And under ones place, 3. So we can write the expanded form as 50 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 3. All of you understood? Now we can discuss the second question. Write the numbers and the expanded form. 50 lakh 6,909. We want to write the number in numeral. For that, we can draw a place value chart. Then it will be easy for you to find out the place value of each digit. When we enter that number in the place value chart, we get under 10 lakhs position 5, under lakhs and 10,000s place zeros only, and under thousands position 6, and under hundreds place 9, under tens place 0, under ones place 9. Now we can write its expanded form. 5 comes under 10 lakhs position, so its expanded form is 50 lakh. Plus under thousands place 6, so 6,000. Plus under hundreds place 9, so plus 900. Next under ones place again 9 plus 9. So what is the expanded form of the number? 50 lakh plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 9. Next we can study 8 digit numbers. What is the smallest 8 digit number? The smallest 8 digit number is 1 crore. How many zeros are there for 1 crore? 7 zeros are there. Adding 1 to the greatest 7 digit number, we will get the smallest 8 digit number 1 crore. And what is the greatest 8 digit number? The greatest 8 digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. What is the greatest 8 digit number? 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Next we can discuss the exercise question. The first question, to write the number names and expanded form of the numbers given. What is the number given here? We can draw a place value chart, then we can enter the number in it. The number we got is 8 crore 76 lakh 89,129. What is the number we got? 8 crore 76 lakh 89,129. Next, we can write the expanded form of the number. 8 comes under crores position, so we can write 8 crore. Next, 7 under 10 lakhs position, so 70 lakh. Plus 600 lakhs position, so 6 lakh. Next digit 8 under 10,000s place, so 80,000. Next 9 under thousands place, so 9,000. 1 under hundreds place, 100. 2 under tens place, 20. Plus 9 under ones place, 9. So its expanded form is 8 crore plus 70 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 9. Now we can do the question 2. What is the question? Write the numbers and the expanded form of the given numbers. The number in words is given here. We want to write its numeral form and expanded form. The number given is 6 crore 40 lakh 7,008 and its expanded form. The leftmost digit 6 comes under crores position, so 6 crore. Next, 4 under 10 lakhs position, 40 lakh. Under lakhs and 10,000s position, only zeros. Next, under thousands place, 7. And under hundreds and tens places again, 0. And under ones place, 8. So, its expanded form is 6 crore plus 40 lakh plus 7,000 plus 8. Next, we can discuss comparing numbers. To compare two numbers, we want to check which number has more digits. The number with more digits is always greater. One example is given here. The first number is 72 lakh 12,430. That has 7 digits. And the second number 9 lakh 45,123. It has 6 digits. So, the number with 7 digits is greater than the number with 6 digits. So, which number is greater number? 72 lakh 12,430 is greater than 9 lakh 45,123. Okay, next rule. If the number of digits is the same, compare the leftmost digit first. When two numbers given both have same number of digits, we can check the leftmost digit. If the number in the leftmost digit is same, then compare the number just right to it. Continue until you find two digits that are different. One example is given there. The first number is 3,56,129 and the second number is 3,56,278. Its lakhs position, 10,000s position, thousands positions, digits are same. But under hundreds place, first number is 1 and the second number is 2. So, the number, which number is big? The second number is big. So, 3,56,129 is less than 3,56,278. All of you got? I hope you understood. Next, we can compare the given numbers. First question, the first number is 23,45,159 and the second number is 4,67,321. The first number contains 7 digits and the second number contains 6 digits. So, which number is greater? The first number is greater than the second number. That means 23,45,159 is greater than 4,67,321. Now consider second number. Both number given as 8 digits and we want to check the leftmost digit. In the first number, the leftmost digit is 3 and the second number, the leftmost digit is 6. So, 3 crore 56 lakh 78,408 is less than 6 crore 56 lakh 79,456. Now consider the third question. Both number has 6 number of digits, and each digit when you compare that are same. That means 4,78,909 is equal to 4,78,909. Next, we can discuss before and after number. The number just before another number is called its predecessor. So, one example is given here. The predecessor of 4,05,231 is 4,05,230. And the number just after another number is called its successor. One example is given here. The successor of 12,34,258 is 12,34,259. Now we can find out the predecessor of the given numbers. First number given is 23,56,789. Its predecessor is 23,56,788. Second question, 56,241. Its predecessor is 56,240. Next, we can find the successor of the given numbers. First question, 34,890. Its successor is 34,891. And second question, 1,45,239. Its successor is 1,45,240. Next, we can discuss ascending and descending order of numbers. To arrange the numbers in ascending order, we want to arrange the numbers from smallest to the biggest. 4 numbers are given here. What are the numbers? First number is 29,534. Second number is 4,08,658. Third number is 39,807. And fourth number is 3,476. First, we can check whether all these 4 numbers have same number of digits. When we check, we can find out the last number 3,476 has only 4 digits. So, that is the smallest number that we can write first. And among other 3 numbers, the second number 4,08,658 has 6 digits. So, that is the biggest number that we can write last. Between the other 2 numbers, we want to find out which will come in second position. When we check the leftmost digit, the first number 29,534 has 2 and the other number 39,807 has 3. So, which is big? 39,807 is bigger than 29,534. So, 29,534 will come in second position and 39,807 in third position, and last position we can write 4,08,658. So, when we arrange that 4 numbers in ascending order, how it will come? First number 3,476. Second number 29,534. Third number 39,807. Fourth number 4,08,658. Next, we can discuss to arrange the numbers in descending order. How to write in a descending order? We want to arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest. First, we want to find out which number is greatest among the given numbers. 4 numbers are given there. When we count the digits, first we can check all numbers have same number of digits. When we check the digits, we can find out the third number is the greatest. That has 7 digits. So, that number we can write first. And what are the numbers given here? 52,967, 31,908 and 90,08,765, 5,431. So, from that numbers, 90,08,765 is the greatest that we can write first. And the last number 5431 has only 4 digits, that will be come in last position. So in second and third position, other two numbers which will come next we can find. In the first number in 10,000 position 5, and in the second number in 10,000 position 3. So which is bigger? 52,967 is bigger than 31,908. So in second position we can write 52,967, and in third position we can write 31,908. So in arranging in descending order, first number is 90 lakh 8,765. Second number is 52,967. Third number is 31,908. And last number is 5,431. Next, we can learn how to find out the greatest and smallest 7-digit number by using the given digits. Some digits are given here. Using that digits, we want to form greatest 7-digit number and smallest 7-digit number. No need to repeat any digits. 7 digits are given there. What are the digits given? 3, 4, 9, 1, 2, 5, 6. Use that digits and form greatest number first. How to form the greatest number? We can arrange the digits given in descending order. Then we will get the greatest number. So which digit will come in leftmost position? The greatest number, that is 9. Next 6, next 5, next 4, next 3, 2, 1. So what is the number we got? We can separate the number by putting periods. After hundreds place we can put a comma. After 10,000s place we can put second comma. So what is the number we got? The number we get is 96,54,321. That is the greatest number we can form using the given digits. Next we want to form the smallest number. To form a smallest number, we want to arrange the numbers in ascending order. That means from smallest to the biggest. So which will come in the leftmost position? 1. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So what is the number we are getting? The number we got is 12,34,569. Okay, the greatest number we got is 96,54,321, and the smallest number we got is 12,34,569. Next, we can study to form the smallest and greatest 8-digit number using the given digits. Only 7 digits are given here. Using these 7 digits, we want to form greatest 8-digit number and smallest 8-digit number. So, what are the digits given here? 3, 4, 9, 1, 2, 5, 0. That are the digits. So, any one digits we can use 2 times. Then we can form greatest 8-digit number. So to form a greatest 8-digit number, which number we want to use 2 times? That will be the greatest digit, that is 9. So what is the number we got? 9 crore 95 lakh 43,210. Now we can check how to form the smallest 8-digit number. Here, which is the smallest digit? That is 0. But 0 will never come in the leftmost position. So no number start with 0. So we can write the number greater than 0 but lesser than other digit, that is 1. 1 we can use in leftmost position, and which number we can repeat? That is 0. So what the smallest number is what? 1 crore 23,459. Okay, all of you understood? Hope you all understood what we discussed today. Thank you.